You remember the Got Milk campaign from the early 2000s? Yeah, that was phase one of the dairy cult. They tricked an entire generation into thinking milk was the key to strong bones, athletic success, and an A-list lifestyle. They had Beyoncé telling us to drink milk. They had David Beckham with a milk mustache, looking like dairy was the secret to eternal youth.
Hey, wait a minute. This ain't a trick, is it?
And we all fell for it. We chugged milk like it was liquid gold, only to find out, oops, it was just a dairy industry scam to sell more cow juice. Then suddenly, milk was bad, meat was worse, and cheese might as well be a death wish.
I guarantee you're gonna die if you touch me, and there's no afterlife. Everything just goes black. Don't do it.
But like all trends, dairy has made a comeback, just rebranded. Now, it's Greek yogurt, our new high-protein, probiotic overlord.
It doesn't matter where I go. It's everywhere.
So today, I'm putting Greek yogurt to the test. 3 recipes, 1 common denominator, disappointment.
Disappointed!
Will Greek yogurt prove itself as a miracle ingredient? Or is this just another scam designed to make me work harder for something that still tastes like sadness? Let's find out.
These peanut butter Greek yogurt bites are going to be your new snack obsession.
All right, first up, chocolate peanut butter bites. A high-protein snack, allegedly, because nothing says delicious like freezing dairy and pretending it's candy.
They're so easy to whip up, packed with
Stirring this together and realizing I've officially joined the health cult. Next step, convincing myself that air-fried kale chips are just like potato chips.
protein, and they taste delicious. The center is
Scooping this up and lying to myself that it's ice cream. Delusion is a powerful thing.
smooth and creamy, almost
Once you're done with your little protein spheres of regret, toss them in the freezer. Maybe they'll develop a personality while they're in there.
like a mousse consistency. Then they're coated with a thin layer of dark chocolate and sprinkled with a little flaky sea salt. They are the perfect treat to keep in your
So, not gonna lie, I have no idea how to melt chocolate. I figured you just throw it in the microwave and boom, melted. Turns out, boom was the literal outcome. RIP to my microwave. Good thing my husband likes to clean. Apparently, you need coconut oil to melt chocolate properly, but I wasn't about to commit to that level of effort, so I went with the next best thing, hot water. Looks about the same, right? Science is fake anyway. Coated the protein balls in my questionably melted chocolate, then threw them back in the freezer. Again, this requires a lot of waiting for something I wasn't even sure I wanted. Kind of like what I told my friend when she was pregnant and judged me for my 5th mimosa at 10 a.m.
It's nice to be drunk.
fridge. I know you're going to love these.
Once they were frozen, I took them out, and let's just say, these are not winning any beauty pageants. In this case, I really wished I was drunk for this. Bit into one and immediately questioned my life choices. Pretty sure I almost broke a tooth. Would not recommend for anyone with meth mouth. Or, honestly, anyone with teeth. For something that nearly sent me to the dentist. The taste was definitely not worth the potential root canal. Moving on to the next recipe, because surely something in this lineup has to be edible, right?
Pray for me. Recently, I've been seeing yogurt bark everywhere, and I love
She claims this one won't break my teeth, which is reassuring, but I've been lied to before.
the idea of it, but every single time I've tried to make it, it just doesn't.
So we mix it all together. I stopped measuring halfway through because, honestly, who has the time? If you want to be one of those people, you can go watch her video and follow it like a nerd.
Live up to the hype. So I decided to
She made this part look effortless, like she was spreading joy and optimism. Meanwhile, I'm over here fighting for my life, just trying to make it look less like a crime scene.
create this chunky monkey Greek yogurt bark that is packed with
Yeah, this turned out looking like a crime scene, but at least it's going to go in the same way it's coming out.
flavor, packed with protein.
After what felt like the remainder of my youth slipping away, they were finally frozen enough to break into pieces. At this point, I'm questioning everything, my choices, my time, my entire existence. But anyway, tried it. Slightly better than the last rock I willingly put my teeth through, but still not great. Even my husband, a certified health cult member, didn't like them. And this man eats plain chicken and calls it flavorful. Ended up giving them to the trash monster. At least one of us got some enjoyment out of this. No talking in this video, just pure vibes. So you'll just have to stick around for my overwhelming enthusiasm. Try not to get too excited. Time to mix up the flour, baking powder, salt, and yogurt. The same yogurt that has hijacked this entire video and, quite possibly, my will to live. Now mix and knead the dough. This was way harder than it looked. If any kitchen appliance brands are out there, just know I have a very high acceptance rate. Yeah, that's what she said. I didn't have a rolling pin, so I grabbed the next best thing, bottle of fish sauce. Adds extra flavor through sheer proximity. Wow, look at that color. Surprisingly decent. Almost makes up for the fact that they look like I rolled them out blindfolded. So, slather them in butter, because that's what makes everything better. Forgot to show that part, but trust me, it happened. Just scroll back to the previous clip if you need proof. Not gonna lie, these are actually pretty good, which is annoying because I was fully prepared to roast them into oblivion. I'll definitely store these in my freezer for when I need something quick. Just throw them in the air fryer and pretend I have my life together. A bit denser than traditional naan, but hey, they've got a nice heft to them. Could probably take someone out with one of these if necessary. Well, there you have it. The cult of Greek yogurt. Not as bad as I thought. Annoying, but not life-ruining. If there's any other ingredient you want me to try next, let me know. Or don't. I really don't care. I'm just here to post videos and drown out the deafening silence of my own existence. Anyway, that's it. Go touch some grass.